Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Amy, and over here we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIY makeover videos, vlogs, and pretty much everything. You guys, excuse me, I just woke up. It's hella early, pretty much almost like 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm about to head out to the gym, but I actually wanted to bring you guys this video today to show you guys what I do to stay fit, stay healthy. If you actually been following me for a minute, you know when I came back from Gambia, I gained a whole bunch of weight because I was just eating. I had no senses, okay? But when I came back, I decided to just pretty much change my routine and just live a better and a healthier life, because that was not it, okay? But anyways, today I'm actually gonna share with you guys something that has tremendously helped me and my diet and my gut area. Because listen, your girl was not looking like this, okay? I'm trying to show y'all. Your girl was not looking like this a few months ago, okay? But I'm doing much better, alhamdulillah. And I'm gonna show you guys a product that has truly and tremendously helped me in basically getting lean, especially like in my gut area, because that's where everything sits, you guys. That's where most of the fat sits, okay? This is what I've been using. This is a BELLWAY Super Fiber Supplement. Okay, I take this twice a day, morning and night. In the first 3 days, I just took it for like half a scoop and 8 ounces of water, mix it together and chuck it up, okay? And then and at night, I also do the same thing. But right after the 3 days that's gone, my system is already adjusted to it. I started doing a whole scoop, mixing it with the water, and then drinking it. Okay, you can also put it inside smoothie and all that stuff. I just like to put it in the water, chug it up, and then call it a day. I use this as my post-workout drink, okay? The great thing about it is actually there's no sugar, okay? It's gluten-free and it's also 100% vegan. So if you're on like a keto diet and all that good stuff, this is absolutely 100% Amy approved. One thing I actually truly love about it, it actually makes me feel like I'm full, so I don't have to like crave for so many things or want to eat like all the time. It also helps with your blood sugar level, and obviously there is no sugar in it. So fiber is actually great, you guys, for you, because most of us don't intake fiber in our diet daily, okay? So this is definitely 100% Amy approved from me. This has definitely tremendously helped with my gut area, my diet, and everything. I absolutely love it. By the way, thank you for BELLWAY for sponsoring today's video, because listen, I need more, okay, if y'all are watching. And the great news to you guys is you get 20% off your first order, okay? 20% off, and I'll leave my discount code right here. It is CSA20, and I'll also leave it down in my description bar so you guys can get your fiber on, honey. Let's get snatched all summer long, baby. I want all of us to be cute together, okay? I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. Not gonna do that, okay? That's not cute. I will see you guys in a minute. I'm headed out to the gym, and when I come back, we are going to get into it, okay? I'll show you what I eat. All of it, okay? Basically, all of it. How I just basically maintain a sexy lean body. Because your girl just turned 38, baby. And listen, she's gonna be fine, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you also leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you're doing to get snatched all summer 2022, baby, okay? Let's head over out to the gym, sis. Right, so first thing I do is head out to the gym in the morning. Most of the time I like to wake up like 5 a.m. You don't have to. You can go to the gym any time of the day you want to. When I go to the gym, I do some cardio. I work on my abs, and then I'll choose to either do a leg day or arms day. So upper body or lower body, but I always do core, okay? Because listen, it's summer 2022, right around the corner. We need to get these abs nice and tight. Just watch me work out and get snatched and get ready, and we'll go home, and you will see what I eat in a day to maintain and look snatched. Try to focus on breathing. Once I finish working out, I like to go into the sauna and just relax and stretch, and just end my day there, because I just feel really good when I go into the sauna, you guys. I don't know why and what's in it, but I just love going in there. So for breakfast, I'm gonna keep it very simple, and normally I intermittent fast, you guys, so I don't have to eat right after the gym. So when I come home, I relax, take a shower and whatnot. Okay, and then we're gonna make some smoothie. I like to keep it very simple and basic. I'm just using some frozen fruit, some banana. The frozen fruit has like mango, kiwi, and I use some frozen berries also. I don't add any sugar, I just add a little bit of water, okay, and just blend that in, and that's what we're gonna have for breakfast, and some boiled eggs. But I'll let you guys watch so you guys can actually see exactly what I do. Yeah, and for breakfast, I'm just gonna have my smoothie. And I also have 2 boiled eggs here, and I just have a little bit of seasoning and some black pepper on it. I'm just what I'm gonna eat for my breakfast, okay? To make some lunch, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm making. I'm actually just gonna make some salmon and some green beans, okay, with some garlic and some greatness. Okay, I'm not showing the whole recipe, but if you guys would actually want to see the recipe, let me know, and I could probably put it in my on my reels on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram at amycc_, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss any of my videos. Make sure you turn on the post notification bells also. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys do to actually stay fit and get that gut area looking real nice. Okay, and snatch. Okay. And for lunch, I'm gonna make some salmon, and you can tell I'm not eating all 3 salmon. Okay, it's for the household. Okay, everybody eat healthy when I eat healthy. So I'm just seasoning the salmon with some black pepper, smoked paprika, chili powder. Listen, if you guys want a full recipe on how I do this, just let me know, and I would definitely put it on my Instagram reels. Like I said, season your salmon to your liking. It doesn't have to be the same way I season it. I'm also going to make some green beans with some garlic and some greatness with some seasoning, and pretty much that's it. Garlic, green beans, and my salmon. And of course my salmon has a little bit of tweak to it, but you guys keep watching and you will see that in a minute. Okay, if you want the recipe, again, leave a comment in the comment section. Go ahead and plate our food, and I'm a firm believer you have to present your food nicely. I don't care if you're cooking at home for yourself or whatnot, just put in a nice plate and make that food looks good. Okay, no matter how healthy it is, it's going to taste great. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my lunch on, eat my food, and the salmon tasted so good, you guys. It was so flavorful. You can't even tell this was a healthy meal because it has so much flavor. Okay. Was great, and now I'm about to actually make dinner. I'm so tired, you guys. My head actually hurts right now, but I have to like pull through and finish this video up. I actually wanted to make some ozo pasta salad, but I came home and realized that I had no ozo pasta. I thought I had some left, but apparently I'm out. So I found this pasta. It's called pearl couscous. I'm actually gonna use this and make it into an ozo pasta salad. You get the gist, right? I'm hoping it tastes good. And listen, and I also actually do have some chicken already marinated inside the fridge, so I'm gonna grill that, but I'll show you guys what we're doing right now. Okay, let's get fit. Let's get fit. 2022, summer body is running up. Boom boom boom. I don't know what that was.
Anywho, I have my water boiling over here, so I'm about to put the pasta. I already have some salt and some olive oil in there. By the way, guys, what is your favorite healthy dinner to eat? I feel like that's what I struggle the most. Lunch I'm fine, you know, because I can pretty much eat anything, but I feel like when it comes to dinner sometimes, like, I struggle a bit. Like, I make steak and all that stuff, but like, what's like your healthy dinner options? Like, what do you guys like to make the most? Okay, leave a comment in the comment section. Really, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know, because your girl needs help sometimes too. Okay, she don't be getting it all, you know. The dressing just have lime or lemon, sorry, lemon, honey, olive oil, and black pepper, salt, and whatever, right? And then over here, I'm just now going to add some cucumber. Okay, I'm gonna put some cilantro. Normally I actually use parsley for my ozo pasta, but I don't have any parsley today. So, and the reason why I'm eating ozo pasta actually right now is because lunch was quite light, so I wanted something filling. I have some red bell peppers and some jalapenos, because y'all know I love me some spice, baby. Okay, mix that up nicely. Okay, add some tomatoes and some red onions. I prefer using red onions for this because, you know, they just taste better. Okay, feta cheese. I feel like feta cheese is a must for ozo pasta. Okay, and if you don't want feta cheese, you don't have to. I know this is more of like a healthy option, so I don't think feta cheese is bad for you. I doubt it. Okay, yeah, and voila. So here is the chicken that I already marinated, and this is just going to be like a, what's it called, like a chicken kebab kind of thing, and it's just some chicken breast, so quite healthy. Marinated with like some cumin, tomato paste, Greek yogurt, some spices, and olive oil and whatnot. So I'm about to put this on the skewers and actually come and grill it.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken on the grill, and you don't have to actually use it on the grill, you guys. Feel free to actually cook your chicken in an oven or on a skillet. I just prefer using the grill because I just like that char taste, but you absolutely don't have to use a grill. Just make sure you cook your chicken in a healthier method, like just use it, put it inside the oven, broil it, or just put it on a skillet with a little bit of olive oil, and that should do just fine. Now we move on to plating. Like I said earlier, make sure you plate your food nicely, so that gives you the appetite to eat it. No matter how healthy it is, you just want to make it presented nicely, darling.
So dinner is served and ready. How is it, Deji? Really good. Okay, it's finished. I just say it's really good. But yeah, super healthy, very filling. I don't know how healthy the pasta is, but it's not like a terrible pasta. I think this is like a better version of like any other pasta. And you can also get like vegan pasta. You can get whatever kind of pasta that you want, but this works for me. Okay. Alright guys, and that is what I eat in a day. As you can see, like, I don't put that much sugar or pretty much any sugar in my diet. What is wrong with you? I don't really put any sugar into my diet. I try to avoid as much sugar as I can and try to avoid as much carbs as I can. I'm not on keto, but you know, I just try to pretty much stay away from those things, okay? Because it's really not the best for you, okay, in your gut area, okay? So it's quite easy. If you guys would want to see some of the recipes that I do, just let me know in the comment section below, and I could probably like film a reels, which is like quite fast and easy, and not so time consuming for you to watch and for me to create, right? Okay, win-win. But yeah, make sure you just drink a lot of water, chug it up, okay? So I actually do leave a bottle of water next to my bed, so when I wake up in the morning, I make sure I take my water, because I'm not very good at drinking water, you guys. Not gonna sit here and lie. No, I'm not, okay? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you also leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what is your favorite things to basically eat on a healthy diet routine, right? And actually, I've been struggling to actually also get like good diet snacks. Like, if you guys know of any, like, also leave them down in the comment section below. What do you like to snack on a diet to stay snatch? Okay, right now I'm ready to go to bed. I'm gonna check on my water, and peace. I'll see y'all. And again, thank you to BELLWAY for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in trying it out, make sure you check the description bar for a coupon code, and the coupon code is right here. It is it's not Amy. The coupon code is CC20, and you will get 20% off your first order. As always, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, stay snacked, stay fabulous, and drink water and mind your damn business. Bye.